Don't let one bad year, one bad chapter, one bad decision convince you that the entire story is ruined. Because here's the truth. One setback doesn't define you. One season of pain isn't your permanent address. 1 year of struggle does not mean the rest of your life is hopeless. You are not finished. You are not broken beyond repair. You are not out of the game unless you quit right now. So take a deep breath, stand up. And remember this, the rest of your life is still undefeated. 1. The illusion of too late. Let's get something straight. You are not too old. You are not too far behind. You are not too damaged. And you are definitely not too late. That's the lie pain whispers in your ear when you're at your lowest. That's what fear wants you to believe when you've hit rock bottom. But let me remind you, rock bottom isn't the end, it's the foundation. It's where warriors are built. Where clarity is born. Where the strongest versions of ourselves are forged in fire. You didn't come this far to stop now. 2. The power of turning points. Some people wait for a perfect moment to restart. But the perfect moment is a myth. You don't find it, you create it. That one bad year? It taught you, it hardened you. It revealed who's real, what matters, and what needs to go. Now it's your turn to use what nearly broke you. To rebuild the version of you that nothing can break. Right here, right now, this is the turning point. Before we dive deeper, take a second. If this message is hitting your soul, do me a favor. Like this video, subscribe for more powerful truths like this, and drop a comment saying, "I'm not done yet." Because you're not. You've barely scratched the surface of who you can become. Now back to it. 3. You are not your worst season. Let's be honest. Some of you went through hell this past year. You lost people. You lost money. You lost faith in yourself. And you started believing the lie that this is all life has to offer you now. But that voice in your head? That says you peaked already? That says your best days are behind you? That voice is a liar. You are not your failures. You are not your mistakes. You are not your lowest moments. You are the person who survived them. And that means you are far more powerful than you realize. 4. The comeback no one saw coming. The world loves a good underdog story. But you know what it loves even more? The comeback no one saw coming. That's the story you're writing right now. While others are sleeping on you, doubting you, laughing at you. You're working in silence. You're healing. You're growing. You're learning how to build in the dark, brick by brick. And one day soon, they won't be able to ignore what you've built. 5. Stop reliving the pain. Start building the future. Every time you replay the worst moments of your life, you're robbing yourself of energy you need to build the future. The past is a place of reference, not residence. You went through it, you learned from it. But now it's time to stop reliving it. You don't get to win the rest of your life by dragging your old pain into every new day. Let it go. Not because it wasn't real, but because you're not staying there anymore. Hey, if this is giving you clarity or strength, don't keep it to yourself. Hit that like button. Subscribe and share this with someone who needs to hear it. Because you never know whose entire life could change from a single message. 6. It's still your move. Don't underestimate the power of small shifts. One day of courage. One decision to stay disciplined. One honest conversation with yourself. That's all it takes to change your trajectory. This isn't about flipping your entire life overnight. This is about making sure that today you don't give up. You try, you show up, you take the next step, even if your hands are shaking. Because momentum doesn't come from motivation. It comes from motion. 7. The identity shift. Who are you becoming? Because if you keep identifying with your failures, you'll keep repeating them. You have to let go of the identity that's attached to your pain. You have to bury the version of you that only knew survival. Because now it's time to thrive. You were never meant to live stuck. You were meant to live on purpose. And that starts by waking up every day and saying, I am not who I was. I'm becoming who I was born to be. Take a deep breath. This is your life. This is your moment. And this is your tribe. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon for more content like this, and comment, "My story isn't over." Let's rise together. You're not alone on this journey. Your future is undefeated. You've survived 100% of your worst days. Let that sink in. All the heartbreak. All the confusion. All the breakdowns and disappointments. You're still here. And if you're still here, you still have a purpose. You still have time. You still have the power to rewrite everything. Don't let one bad year trick you into thinking you can't win the rest of your life. Because you can and you will. Just don't quit now.